Hey everybody! Today on Make It Bake It, we're making
pizza!
Pizza
dough!
There's our pizza dough. We're gonna cut our pizza dough in half.
For both of us.
So we can have multiple pizzas, right?
Yeah.
What are you gonna put on your pizza?
Yeah.
Sis, what are you putting on your pizza?
Red bell pepper.
Ooh, some bell peppers.
Oh, mine is the biggest.
Wait just a minute.
That one's mine.
Make a ball and tell him, rest. I don't know that we're gonna need our cutting board. Are you having a snack over there, mister? Go get some.
Wow.
We're gonna ball it out in a minute, sis.
Roll it out. I got it.
I meant to put oil on our pans, too.
Yeah.
You know what we need to do? Turn the oven on.
Because we need a bake.
Because we gotta bake them, that's right.
Okay.
So,
Bake a board.
bake. And then the number 4, 2, 5. There we go. All right,
Start?
watch me. Yep, hit start. So, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna push down with the heel of your palm.
I want to try that. Can I try it on yours? Yeah.
Press it out a little bit. Doesn't that feel so good?
Yeah. It feels so good.
Now it's kind of stretching back, which means it needs to rest. That's the fun thing about dough, is it's real stretchy.
Yeah.
But, Mommy's turn.
I want my pizza to be big.
Yes.
So big.
I want my pizza to be tasty.
Yeah. Can I try it on pot?
We're not going to eat it until it's cooked. Thank you
Okay.
for asking. I know
Okay.
how much you love sampling all the toppings. See?
Yeah, I want to try the barbecue
on.
chicken. Or the...
Stretch a little bit.
We can go right here.
I want to do...
You did.
Ooh. Can I do
How
it
are
all
you?
so big?
Not today.
Are you having fun?
Wait,
But you can
Yeah.
you don't. I don't think we're going to put olives on it today.
Yes, ma'am, Mama. No.
Hold on, baby.
No, I got it.
We're just working the dough. This is called working the dough.
Can I do?
Press out, let it kind of relax. The reason it stretches back like that is because the bread, well,
It's you.
It feels good
Dough.
on my skin. Right
Yeah.
here. Right here. When I get the dough
Wow.
to touch this
Wet
on
on
my
there.
skin.
oily.
Mama, when
I'm listening.
I get
You
the
moisturizing
dough,
your skin?
yeah.
I'm so glad. Natural moisturizer with a little pizza
Yeah.
grease. It's just olive oil. Hold on just a minute.
If you
When we tear it, that makes it not taste like our yummy pizza. You gotta stretch it. Stretch
Can I do that?
it.
And
Can I do
If you
that?
pull too hard, it will tear. And we don't want holes. All of our toppings will fall out.
yeah.
Give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am, Mama. So excited we're making pizza.
We haven't made pizza in a while, have we?
Can I put my veggies on top?
Not yet. That pizza hasn't been stretched enough. We want a nice thin dough.
Yeah.
Big dough.
Mama,
See how much bread flour is right there? How much
Yeah.
dough is there?
Yeah.
That's going to be real thick, like a sandwich. And we don't want it thick like a sandwich in the middle.
Mama,
So keep pressing.
Mama, can I make my pizza in a round, like the sun?
Round like the sun.
Yeah.
I was trying to make it rectangular so that it would fit our cookie sheet.
Cookie?
Yep, the sheet that we've got in
Oh,
it.
oh, cookie.
Kind of stretch it like a
Yummy.
rectangle. All right, hold on. Stretch. We're working the dough.
We're working the dough together.
See how it's got some spots on the back? That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
That just means those are gonna crusty pieces.
Yeah.
Mommy's turn. We haven't let it rest enough. A lot of times, Mommy does this
Mama,
part
look, I made a
first.
little bit of cut.
I see. It's looking good. Keep smushing it outwards. It's looking good. All right, let me try again.
Look at mine. Look at mine, bud.
Ooh, big and tasty.
Smells like dough, huh? Big and tasty.
Yummy.
When are you gonna put it in the oven?
As soon as it has enough toppings on it. Oops, see? Mommy almost pulled it too hard right there. You see how you can see through it? So be careful, dude.
But it's okay, you can just put it in.
You could.
And then it'll go back to normal.
I guess.
It would.
Would it?
I've tried it.
Daddy, come look at mine.
Yeah.
Water.
Oh, sorry.
It's so round and big.
Wow.
Yeah, do you want to press it out with me?
I didn't wash my hands.
You can wash your
I
hands.
didn't. I'm not gonna. I got dry hands.
He's going to do cameraman stuff.
I love it. That's awesome.
Yeah. Mama did it.
Sorry, Daddy. Daddy. This piece is not little for me.
Well, we're going to do half and half.
Oh, half and half.
I'm going to put it right in
Did
the
you just hit nose? Go wash hands.
No?
Did he hit his nose? We'll find out.
No.
Oh, it's fun.
It is fun.
Yummy, yummy.
I'm glad it was an appetite today.
Me?
Shoot.
Or him.
You.
Yeah.
You're feeling better. I'm trying to spread the germies.
Can I go check your tent?
Sure.
But when do we bake it and put baking on it?
As soon as we've pressed out enough of the dough.
You want to roll it in there?
What?
My pizza dough.
What about it?
You can throw it in there like chefs do.
We're not going to throw it in the air like chefs do.
Aw,
Then it would hit the ground.
you can just...
We'll pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're letting the dough, the
Yeah.
weight of the dough, but we don't want to pull too hard.
Don't pull too hard.
Okay, let go. Move, move.
Wow!
I don't know if that's any bigger than it was. But we're trying. Beep, beep.
It's so big like the pan.
I'm trying to make it big like the pan because this one's going to be Mommy and Daddy's favorite flavors.
But this one is mine. I want to eat this one.
Beep, beep.
I'm going to eat this one.
Well, good. I hope you do eat it.
I want to put all my favorite veggies on it.
This is going to have pesto.
Can I put my...
Keep it out.
What do we get?
Shortcut using a little Costco pesto.
Yay!
Delicious.
Delicious.
Freezes well. So you
I'm
can
going to
always
put
have
mine
it
on
hand.
in the middle.
And we're going to spread our pesto. Because pesto's the besto. That was a dad joke for you, honey.
Thank you.
Hey, it looks like a bear.
It looks like a bear?
Yeah. Because I have so many eyes.
A bear has so many eyes? Okay. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Slowly. Do you remember how to kind of go around
Yeah.
and down the middle?
Yeah.
Just a gentle stir to try
Yeah.
to
And
stir our chicken up.
Okay. I just go on the side in there.
I love
Like
it.
this.
I have a barbecue pizza.
What about Papa? Will he have a supper?
Yeah, of course.
Will he have his pizza?
Yeah, he's some barbecue chicken. Now he's got hiccups. I'm being choked so many times. Not choked, but gagging.
Yeah.
Is it working out okay?
No. It's too hot.
Here, this is what Mommy's gonna do. She's gonna kind of take the tip of the spoon and just kind of go around. Mix the chicken.
I want to do that.
You wanna do this one? I'm gonna add a
Yeah.
little bit more sauce.
Okay.
Make it a nice shimmery barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Chicken. Mommy's gonna do this one.
Yeah, I don't need that one. Because I want to taste the chicken and peppers.
Mm-hmm.
Not this one. So,
You don't like barbecue?
I don't. I don't like barbecue sauce.
Are you sure?
I'm so not.
It's sweet and vinegary.
Blech.
Those are two of your favorite things, vinegar and sweetness.
Yeah, but I don't like the yuckies in it.
Really?
There's some sweet. There's not a ton of sweet, but there's only a teeny bit of sweet and a ton of gross.
Okay, ton of gross. I'll take your word for it.
No, it's a ton of yum and teeny bit of gross.
We're gonna put chicken on all of it.
Can I taste some of that?
Some of that pesto chicken.
Yeah.
Sure.
Where's some?
Sampler. Open your mouth wide. Ah. Oops, I dropped it on the counter.
I got it. I need it.
Good thing they're clean.
Good.
Yummo.
Yummy.
Okay, we're gonna put some
Peppers.
bell peppers. Look, we're gonna break them up and kind of sprinkle them on like polka dots.
Of making the best pizza ever.
It is gonna be delicious. If you get an ice cube, don't put the ice cube on it because these are frozen peppers. Wait, oopsies. We don't want all those because we gotta use some on the other side. Maybe put a couple pieces here. I think that's enough for the pesto chicken. Put those back. We're gonna do the rest on the barbecue chicken. Oh, go wash your hands. You can't taste them like that, girlfriend.
Sorry.
It's okay. Go in the bathroom and wash. I won't move on too far.
Just stay there.
And pause. Eat them. Eat okay. Got some red onion that we froze. I want you to sprinkle it over the pizza like that.
Okay. But when I have none. Can I try one?
Put a little bit right there and then try what's left in your hand. She likes a good sample. What do you think?
Yum.
Everything is yum. Okay. Now we need to add the cheese.
Hey.
Go get some water.
Done.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, Mommy's rinsing your hand off. Here, why don't you rinse your hand off instead of licking it? I saw you. Saw you sneak a lick. Here,
Sneak a tick.
sneak a lick.
Sneak a tick. Sneak bake.
Oh dear. Okay,
Sneak bake.
nothing's in the oven. Okay. Whew. Had a slight panic.
Can I taste some cheese too?
Put it on the pizza first. Here, sprinkle it around. Excellent.
Can I taste some?
Baby girl. We're making pizza first, and then you can sample it. Did you spread it out?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a piece on the paper?
Look.
Oh, that's a perfect piece for you.
Sampling. Yum.
Oh, you're funny.
Yummy sampling.
Okay.
Yummy sampling.
A little bit there. Here's another sample. And, oh, we need our grater.
Grater.
Although I may wait and put the Parmesan cheese on top when it comes out the oven. What do we think?
Making the same pizza as yours. No, that kind.
All right, I think it's gonna go in the oven.
I can open it.
Hold on, Mommy's gotta change the racks really fast. So we'll see you when we sample. Bye. All right, we're gonna check it in 10 minutes, and then we'll flip. In the meantime, let's grate some cheese.
Yeah.
All right. Remember, hot pizza. Ooh, that one had a lot of pesto on it. Oh. It's pizza night.
Pizza night.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You did fabulous. All right, let's focus. Mwah.
Apple fast.
All right, have a good day. Bye.